Hello, today I'm gonna show you how do we use SEBlockEditor on our enabler server and why we can't live without it. So, the first problem is that we have 1400 blocks average, and this is only that have 12 upgrades. We have other blocks that have 4 upgrades, and to have other vanilla blocks. So everything in this table is calculated based on the basic values for each type of block, and if we change here value, it will change. If we change craft for small block guru, it will change the value of large block guru, and after that all blocks that are small block and large guru will be changed, and we have to change as we have extra 2 by 2 by 2 guru, we have to change it too, so it is huge amount of blocks. So editing it with XML will take a lot of time, and also create mistakes that people do while manually editing XML files. So just editing something in craft of block will generate a task for a person for 30 minutes minimum, because it have to validate that everything is okay after his changes, that he implemented everything fine and haven't made a mistake, for example in one tier or tier 6 or I don't know. So as it is programmatically imported by SEBlockEditor, as I've shown you in previous videos, everything just take maximum 1 minute. All you do is just copy all of these, and we have a lot of other our custom components. You just copy it and paste. You add it in one place and everything is recalculated. It is the first thing, editing the crafts of blocks. The second one is that this is a table for hydrogen rosters, and everything on our server is every block that have tiers changing their values depending on the mass of block and basic value called mass ratio. So the force of how much hydrogen thrusters can lift depending on the weight of the block itself and the weight of hydrogen tank, the mass of hydrogen tank, the H2 gas in this tank. Yes, we have a gas mass on our server, and the mass of the thruster. And also we have like extra lift for crafts to be able to lift something into space. So we have our own logic for each block, how much it producing something, how much it have force, how much it consuming power, um, and other properties are all calculated based on mass of block and its level. We have for each block, for each level of block, we have extra bonuses. So when you upgrade to the next level, you get extra benefit, except just increasing mass and increasing basic values. We have extra bonuses. So it is a bit complex, and we can do this only in Excel, and that's why when we would edit something from this, and like the players say that we have a problem with this block. For example, we think that the lift of hydrogen thrusters is bad, and we want to make it a bit more easier to lift in space. So we just like okay, so we just go here. For example, for example, we want people to carry extra 20 ton into space from the planet with 1g gravity, and we change this, and after that all values changing, and the power consumption, which means how much hydrogen thruster consuming the fuel, also changing. So everything depending on everything, and only that can be done in Excel. So I don't want this. So I just revert back, but we do what? We just like do that, select these blocks and their properties, Control C, open editor, bulk edit, set block values, import values, and boom, it's in SBC. All these changes are monumental. Like, it takes for us like maximum 20 seconds to edit, and it is already in SBC, and that's cool because we can change balance in any time. And also we have our like version control system, because in Google Sheets we can see who changed and what have been changed. So this is quite useful, that you can track what have been before with that balance and what have been changed. So I don't see any way to open our own server if we wouldn't have a SEBlockEditor. We couldn't open our server because the balance will be bad, or we will take much more time to synchronize values from Excel to SBC. Thank you.